In this video, I will show you how to make thumbnails like Mr. Beast. I'm going to show you his secret trick to getting millions of views with this thumbnail and how to create them in Photoshop. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Let's begin. First, open a file in Photoshop, and the pixels should be 1280 by 720. That is the correct size for YouTube thumbnails. Now create different layers of what you need. The goal here is to mimic one of Mr. Beast's gaming thumbnails. So what we need is a grass layer. So we can search grass field into Google to find what we need. Once we have grass in place, we can find a sky background in the same way and place that in the layer behind the grass. Let's add Mr. Beast into the scene. For example, I'm going to use a screenshot of Mr. Beast for his thumbnail. To remove Mr. Beast from the background, there are two ways to remove Mr. Beast from the background. Method 1 is using lasso tool. Zoom in, use lasso tool to remove the background. Method 2 is to use quick selection tool to select the areas around and delete. Either way works fine. Once we have Mr. Beast removed from the background, to clean up the Mr. Beast outline, we click refine edge. We drag the smooth feather bar up to make it smoother, then we reduce the shift edge to around -10. Then place him in the upper layer and where you want him. Now we add something in the background like a Lamborghini or some sort of eye-catching object. Now we add drop shadow to the object. Double click the object layer, go to drop shadow, just slight drop shadow to make it pop out of the background. Make sure the drop shadow is angled 90 degrees so it points down. Now click OK and confirm. Now we add the red arrow, also add a drop shadow effect to this red arrow. Now we add text to the thumbnail. The Mr. Beast font is called Comica Axis. We can write something like this. We use drop shadow on the text as well to make it pop. Now that we have the image that we have, click merge layer. Now to make it really pop like a Mr. Beast thumbnail, click filter, camera raw filter. From here you can play with the settings to make it pop more. Mess with the clarity, dehaze, vibrance to really make it pop. Now you should have something that looks very similar to Mr. Beast thumbnails. If you enjoyed and learned from this tutorial, please consider subscribing. Watch another Mr. Beast tutorial here. See you in the next one.